Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to paint this moonscape, and it's really easy. Actually, all you need is two colors, black and white. And just go ahead and cover the whole canvas black. So this is where you're going to place the moon, top of the canvas, a little high. Then the water is going to go a third down of your canvas. And you will have your mountains, which will be a silhouette, and they go all the way across, and then you will have your clouds in between the moon and the mountains. Now I started with the clouds, and I find it much easier to begin with the clouds, and all you need to do is just get a really soft brush and go across the canvas like so. Second, you start on the moon. You can use a reference, maybe a bottle cap or any small lid. I didn't use anything. I just pretty much eyeballed it. Now begin to paint your silhouette mountains all the way across the canvas. And I'm going back to the moon, working on the highlights, making it more realistic. Remember not to paint it solid white. You want to leave some black coming through the white. And for the reflection of the water, I just used my palette knife and I did some lines across there. I find it more easy to do that than to use a brush to do the lines. And remember, if you guys do any mistakes and if you're not satisfied with the lines on the water, you can always go back with black paint and use it like an eraser. The good thing about this is that we're only using two colors, so it's really easy to go back and to redo the lines. So if you guys are enjoying this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And remember to enjoy the journey, light a candle, listen to some soft music, and paint the day away, because this is to bring some peace into your life, not to bring more stress. So just keep that in mind, you guys. So here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And with that, I will talk to you soon, and God bless.